A block of mass 6 kg is lowered with the help of a rope of negligible mass and length 20 meters. Length 20 meters. With an acceleration of an acceleration of 1.96 meter per second square. Calculate work done by the rope. Given data, mass m is equal to 6 kg, height rope length is equal to 20 meters, acceleration 1.96 meter per second square. This is a rope. This is a block of 6 kg. It is moving down with acceleration of 1.96 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity also acts towards down, that is g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Tension force act upwards, and F is equal to ma is a net force. Tension force in the string act upwards, T tension force. Weight of the body act downwards, W. As it is moving down, this must be greater, weight must be greater than the tension force. So W greater than the tension force. So that's why net force is equal to W minus T. T is equal to W minus F. That is nothing but mg minus F net. How much it is? ma. That is nothing but m of g minus a. Now you got force. You got force, tension force you got, and what he is asking, work done is asking. Tension force into height will give you the work done. So tension force is equal to, we got m into g minus a, that is equal to 6 kg into 9.8 minus 1.96, and total work done is equal to tension force into height. So work done must be equal to 6 into 9.8 minus 1.96 into 20.